There's the snow hitting. Where's Coyote? Hi, Coyote. Hey, Diamond. There's Coyote. Come here, Coyote. He's not a jacket guy. He's done. There we go. Snowing on the garden. Diamond. Come here, Diamond. She's done too. Our hoop houses with many things growing inside. Coming over here to get a bird feeder. We're going to hang up another bird feeder. And hang it up out. The birds can get to it over here. Put it in this one right here. No? This one. This one might work. That's kind of a messy job. A little bit. There we have feeders. I'll probably put one out with a little bowl or something, maybe. I'll save a little bit, actually. So who's up in here? You guys said we're not going out.